Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ASUS AiMesh smart home integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your ASUS router is properly set up and connected to the internet. Download the ASUS router app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in using your ASUS account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly within the app. Once logged in, navigate to the AiMesh section from the main dashboard. Tap on Add AiMesh node to begin the integration process. Select your desired AiMesh node from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to place your AiMesh node in the correct location. Once positioned, press the WPS button on your main ASUS router. Then, press the WPS button on your AiMesh node within 2 minutes. Wait for the app to confirm a successful connection between the router and the AiMesh node. After the setup is complete, head back to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the Smart Home section specifically for integrations. Select the smart home service you wish to authenticate, such as Alexa or Google Assistant. Follow the specific prompts provided for the chosen smart home service. You may be required to log in to your smart home account during this process. Grant the necessary permissions for the smart home service to access your AiMesh settings. Once authenticated, return to the app to confirm the integration was successful. Explore any additional settings to customize the smart home integrations as needed. Regularly check for firmware updates in the app to ensure optimal performance. Your ASUS AiMesh system is now fully integrated with your preferred smart home services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.